Good morning, Mr. Hubert here. I'm going to show you how to log in and submit your assignments today. Hopefully everyone's doing well. I do miss all of you, and hopefully we'll get to see each other again soon. So if you already know how to get the class link, you can do that. I'm going to show you how in case you're not sure. Just go to Google and put in something like student polk class link and click on the first one. Now, if it takes you to this page, sometimes it takes you to class link, sometimes it takes you to this page, just go right here and click login. You're not going to get this error. I got this error because it tried to log me in as a student with my teacher ID, and that's not going to work. So, you're going to log in with your username and password, the same one you use in the computer lab. Lexi was nice enough to let me use hers, so I'm going to log in as her. Click sign in once you get all that stuff in. I don't need to save hers. Then I'm going to go right here to McGraw-Hill ConnecTED. Click on that. Once you click on that, you're going to get to a screen that looks like this. Scroll to the bottom and click launch underneath Reading Wonders Grade 4. You'll look at all this. We'll talk about this stuff later. Right now, the only one I want to talk about is the to-do. You should say your name right here. And click on to do, and you'll see the assignments. Right now I only have one assignment. If I have more than one assignment in here, or when I have more than one assignment in here, it'll show more. But right now there's just one. So it's Sadie's game. Click over here, you can see the resources for Sadie's game. Click this right here and you'll be able to see the story. If you want to make it bigger, you can resize the window. I'd like to make it bigger. Use this little magnifying glass and make it the size you want. You can turn the pages with these arrow keys right here. So read the story, turn the pages, and there's a story. When you're done, I would minimize this. I would not close it out because you're going to want it to help you answer the questions. After that, go ahead and look at the questions. That's these right here, Sadie's game. Go ahead and open it up. And there it is. Click Enable Edit. Now you're ready to put your answers in. You might not have Word, you might have another program. I believe Notepad or WordPad opens this up, and it comes with Windows, so everybody should have something like that they can open this up with. If you don't, let me know, and we'll see what we can do. So go ahead and put in your answers. And when you're done, you're going to save it. That's obviously not the correct answer, number one. So go to File, or however you do it on yours, Save. Choose a folder. If I were you, I'd make a folder on how to save this. And choose a name. I'm going to choose it as Sadie's Answer. Now, when you save this name, it is important you don't put spaces in there. If I save it like this, with a space between Sadie and Answer, it's not going to upload. So no spaces. And go ahead and save it. Once you've done all that and you're all ready to submit it, go ahead and go right here to where it says add a resource. As you can see, I was practicing earlier. I already have one up here. So I'm going to take that off. Don't worry about that. You go to My Work. I practiced a lot to make sure I understand how to do this so I can make sure I can help you do this. And you're going to go Upload New File. Select the file we just saved, Sadie Answer. Click Open, and it says ready to be uploaded. Go ahead and click this button right here that says upload. I'm not going to do that right now because I already uploaded like 6 files here. So you upload it, but when you do, it'll upload and it'll have a little check here and you click done. It's not going to ask you that because you uploaded. So I do want to continue. Now, once you've uploaded your file, choose it. I said we were going Sadie Answer right here. And you'll see it comes over on the side here. You click done. Now it's up here. Now if I take it off right here, see how there's nothing there? So I go here, go to My Work, choose the one I want to upload, click Add, and done. Now it's there. Now all I've got left to do is submit. If you want to write a note to me right there, you can do it. You hit submit, it says you've been submitted, has a little check mark here, and you are done. If you have any questions about this, you can always ask me on Class Dojo. I'm working on getting another way for us to contact each other. I'll let you know the details on that as soon as I get that set up. Have a great day.